If you run a service-based business, maybe you're a plumber, personal trainer, photographer, or a consultant, there's probably a moment that you have hit where things started feeling chaotic. Not dramatically broken, just harder than it should be. You're checking spreadsheets continuously, following up with clients manually, and losing track of what needs to happen next. This channel exists to help you move from chaos to something calmer, more reliable, and honestly, just easier to run. I'm Adrian Rodgers, and for the last 7 years, I've managed operations for a crisis response company. My job is to make sure that when something serious happens, that all the practical, logistical, and financial parts of a response actually work in real life, not just on paper. Before that, I ran a financial services practice in South Africa for nearly a decade, where I recruited and trained advisors, managed compliance, and built the systems that kept the business running. So I've spent my career designing systems for organizations where mistakes have serious consequences. And I've watched a lot of businesses, including my own, hit the point where spreadsheets stop creating clarity and start creating chaos. And here's what I've learned over the years. Most businesses don't struggle because they lack tools. They struggle because their systems quietly outgrow what spreadsheets can hold. And nobody tells these businesses what to do about it. So they either stay in spreadsheet chaos longer than they should, or they jump to expensive complex software that they don't really need. There's a middle path to all this, and that's what this channel is about. I'm going to share 3 types of content on this channel. Firstly, pattern recognition. I'll help you recognize when your systems are starting to break before things get chaotic. You'll see videos like 5 signs your spreadsheet is about to fail you, why service businesses outgrow spreadsheets faster than others, and what operational chaos actually looks like. These are diagnostic videos to help you see what's happening in your business more clearly. Secondly, system thinking. I'll teach you how to think about building reliable systems, not just what tools to use, but how to design workflows that actually support your business. You will see videos like how we think about building systems in crisis response, the difference between a checklist and a system, and one of my favorites, when not to automate. These are principle-based videos that help you make better decisions about how your business should work. Thirdly, concrete examples. I'll show you behind the scenes where we have solved operational specific problems, so you can see how this thinking applies in practice. You'll see videos like how we track costs across multiple incidents and currencies, the systems that ensure that nothing falls between the cracks, and what audit-ready operations actually mean. These are application videos where I walk through real examples. This channel is for you if you run a service-based business, such as a trade, wellness, creative, and/or a consulting business. You're still relying heavily on spreadsheets to run your business? You feel busy, but you don't have clear visibility in what's actually happening. You want control without flexibility, and you are tired of constantly checking instead of knowing. If that sounds like you, you're in the right place. This channel isn't for people looking for growth hacks or marketing tactics, software tutorials, get-rich-quick business advice, or generic productivity tips. I'm not here to sell you tools or promise you rapid growth. I'm here to help you build calm, reliable systems that make your business easier to run. Right now, I'm just teaching, creating content, and building trust. But later this year, I'll be offering templates and implementation services through my business, Smartomize. Think of it like this. This channel helps you understand when and why you need better systems, and Smartomize helps you to actually build them. But we're not there yet. For now, I'm just focused on being genuinely helpful to you. So that's what this channel is about. If this sounds valuable to you, subscribe so you don't miss what's coming up. And if you have specific operational problems you're dealing with, like things you're tracking in spreadsheets that aren't working anymore, leave a comment to let me know. That'll help me make content that's genuinely useful to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.